We're out here in the wilderness and we found this wild dingo. It's pretty ravenous. We tried to approach it and touch it and it goes crazy. It's a it's a cannabis something. I don't not cannabis. It's marijuana. Canine chihuahuas. It's very temperamental and it does not like being in the corner. I almost got us the time. A few quick facts. Notice the distinct coloration right there. It's a brown dog. A few quick facts about decuffed chihuahuas. They derive their name because one of them fell in a teacup one time, and and it didn't like that. It acted like this. Hey Linda. It it's pretty wild looking. Uh oh. It's going to attack. Notice how it attacks unprovoked. You better watch out for these in the wild.